This is Tali and I'm back with a tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your cable stitches that's used in this pattern. So I already went ahead and did my foundation chain, and I'll link a video that I have up where you can learn how to do foundation stitches. So I did my foundation double crochet. I did 21 stitches, and for this cable pattern, you do your cables over 6 stitches. So I'm going to divide mine up where I get 2 cables and 3 stitches on the end, in the middle, and on the end. So go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and chain 2. And then I'm going to double crochet in my first 3 stitches. And this is just for a sample. And now we're going to begin our cable. We're going to back post double crochet around the next 6 double crochet stitches. So going from the back, and do your first post. Let's grab some more yarn. Then do your next post. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay. And now we're going to do regular double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Alright, now we're going to set up the back post stitches for our second cable in this sample. So you're going to do your back post double crochet over the next, or around the next 6 stitches. And now we add our last 3, and we're just going to do a regular double crochet in the last 3. Oops. Alright, now that you got to your end of the row, go ahead and chain 2 and turn. So we're literally gonna just be doing our regular double crochet in the 3 stitches. So just gonna go ahead and quickly do that. Sorry, I'm going out of frame. Okay, so now we're at our post stitches, and now we're going to twist our cable. So this is where you're going to be using your front post treble stitches, and we're going to be working behind. To twist our cable, we're going to be working behind instead of in front, and I'll explain and show what I mean there. So you're going to wrap your yarn over twice, and you're going to skip the first 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, and then you're going to front post treble crochet over the next 3. twice again. Get some more yarn. And front post treble on the last of the 6 post stitch. Alright, now you have your 3. Now we're going to be working, in order to twist the cable, we have to work over these 3 stitches, and we're going to be working from behind. So so you literally just kind of push this out the way and pick this up a little bit. So wrap your yarn around your hook twice and pick up that post stitch and just complete your front post treble. And this is just one of the many ways that you can make a cable. And there you have it, you just twisted your cable. You can work in the front, it's just gonna twist the other way, and you'll see what I mean. Like how it twists this way is gonna, you would bring, if you work it from the front, it would just go that way. And it really doesn't matter if you work the front or the back. I just prefer working through the back. Go ahead and double crochet that 3, and we come up on our next cable. We're going to do the same thing. So you skip your first 3, yarn over twice, and then work your front post treble starting from the 4th post stitch, then you do your 5th post stitch, your 6th, and then working from behind, you're going to yarn over twice, pull up 1, 2, and 3, and starting with the first one, you do your front post treble. Then you do 2, and then your 3rd post stitch. That's it. That's your cable row. So to continue making your cable, there's 2 more rows in the pattern repeat, and what you're basically going to do is just regular post stitches. Pull some more yarn. So you go ahead and chain 2, or whatever the pattern instructions states, that's what you do in between the cables. But to make the cables, the instructions are the same across the board. Okay, so now you have your twisted cable, so you're working on the wrong side now. So all you're gonna do is do back post double crochet, starting with the first one that's sticking out at you. So yarn over once and just do your back post double crochet. And you do for the next one. And then now you have this front, these 3 in the front. You're just gonna do the same thing. You're just gonna back post double crochet around those frontal post stitches. do the same again. You back post around 6 front post trebles. And now you're back to the front. You're just gonna back post around those two. Just finish off the row, or however the pattern states. And then for the last row of your cable pattern repeat, you're going to be working on the front side. So you're going to be doing front post stitches to complete. So I went ahead and did my 3, and now we're going to do our front post stitches, front post double crochet. So you yarn over once, you just go ahead and pick up those post stitches and do your front post double crochet. Second cable, we're just gonna do our front post double crochet stitches again. So you do it around each of the 6 post stitches. Just double crochet your last 3. And that's all there is to making a cable. It's just a 4 simple pattern repeat, 4 row pattern repeat. So all you would continue to do is keep going, repeating rows 2 through 5 of the pattern. Starting with your back post double crochet, and then you twist your cable, and then the last 2 rows are done. You do your back post double crochet and then your front post double crochet.